Hello everyone! In today's video I'll show you how I made a layer for my Ventis cosplay out of EVA foam. I first copied the shape of the layer into a piece of paper, and then I divided it into parts in order to fit my foam piece. But you can also cut it all together. Use a sharp crafting knife for that. Started gluing all the parts together with contact glue. Then I sanded the edges a bit, and then I used my heat gun to remove any imperfections and smooth out the foam. This is how it's looking like so far. I now copied the flower designs into the layer, and then I used my soldering iron to carve out the design carefully. You should probably wear a mask for this task because those fumes seem kinda toxic. You can now use any kind of primer to prepare the foam for the paint layer. I used regular white glue. And then I coated it all with black spray paint first and brownish one afterwards. I also painted with gold spray paint all these little details which I cut out of thin EVA foam. And I finally added this little part here, which I should probably have done before painting anything, but whatever. You can now glue all the pieces in place. Whole mess which I ended up removing and switching with a few wood bars painted with blue spray paint, but I didn't record it, and this is how I left it for my photo shoot. And so the cosplay is now finished. Don't forget to check out the other parts if you haven't yet, and let me know in the comments if you have any doubts. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time!